All right, guys, I just got to the Greenline, and let's show it to you real quick before the owners get here. They should be here later on this evening, and then tomorrow, I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen. We will not be leaving the marina. We'll be getting ready to leave the marina. But let me do a quick walkthrough for you. So this is my pre-video that I tell you guys I'm going to start doing these pre-videos of what's going on, what we're doing, like what are we doing on this Greenline 39. It's a single screw. Well, technically it's a twin screw, but it has the propulsion engines are in line with each other, so you could either go with electric or diesel. So it does have two motors, but it only has one propeller that runs off of each one of those motors. They do make a twin, once you get past this one and up to the 41 or 42, the 45 and the 48, those are all twin screws. So they'll have twin Yanmar diesel engines, and they'll have twin electric motors. This one just has one single electric motor and one diesel motor. Let's pull the hatch here, see what we have for engines. Okay. So you can see we have a little 4-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine, and then that's the electric motor on the back side of it. And you can see the battery wires coming into it and stuff like that. All our tankage. Everything looks good here. Fire extinguisher. Anyway, I wanted to take a look at that, see how to get in there real quick, and then just kind of show it to you guys. Okay, let me take you on inside here, but before I go inside, let me show you a couple little things out here. So you got this swim platform that folds down, and you can walk out on that. So that is super, super cool. Very cool. I like the wing door right here for docking, like I showed you that a second ago. Now walk in here. Open up the engine room here in just a second to show you the propulsion system. Here's the kitchen sink, stove, cabinets here, trash can, really cool. Somebody thought about that. Coffee maker. And come over here, here's our refrigerator. Just turn that on for them. Freezer, full size. And really cool, like sitting area right here, and then the helm station. You can see that's the controls right up there. That'll put it in a hyper mode, which is a electric motor or diesel motor. A place for two people to sit. And what I really like, just like the main ships, just like the a lot of boats that I like, with this side door right here, because it makes it super easy for docking. So I love that side door right there. Being able to, when I drove the boat over here, I was able to just poke my head out that side door, kind of see what I was doing. What I like too is you come down the steps here, not too bad on the steps right here. And this is the master bedroom. This cushion goes upstairs. Thinking about putting that in right now. And then this is the main head right here. It's only got one head, sink, and then a totally, completely separate shower. So super nice. And you got two doors. You can come in from that door, or you can come in from this door. And then just like on the main ship here, we got my closet. That's where I'll be sleeping. So you have a nice storage closet, and then a little place to sit. And then this bed actually looks bigger than on the main ship. And then you got a bunk over there, and I'm sure you can put those together and have one big bunk, or you can have just two separate bunks. So that's really, really cool. Anyway, I hope you guys are going to enjoy these videos. On the Greenline 39 is what this one is. Single screw. Anyway, the objective of this trip is these guys, Jim and his wife, just bought the boat. This is their first boat. And they are going to do America's Great Loop. He's retiring in June, and so I'm here just strictly for training. So I'm going to teach them how to put it in and out of the slip, navigation, anchoring. We'll go do a 2 or 3 day trip on them so they know how to use all the systems, the electrical system, the air conditioners, the water heater, take showers, use the toilet. We'll teach them everything over the next week. On this boat right here. My plan right now, but these can always change, is we will be heading over to probably Boca Chica, maybe No Name, do some anchoring, and we'll hit a couple of marinas over in the Miami area, and maybe even go up the Miami River. We'll see how they're feeling, and if they want to do that. It's a busy route but it's always cool. And if you've never done it before, I always think it's very cool to do it. So anyway, that's what this trip was all about. It's just pretty much all just yacht training. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy all of these videos on the Greenline 39. And if you have any questions or if you're interested in one of these, you can just call the Greenline dealer here in Fort Lauderdale and talk to Michael. He's the guy that referred me for this job. He's been selling these things since they've been in Fort Lauderdale, and he's their #1 salesman. And he does a good job. Anyway, super excited. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe. The next boat we get onto is a 2006 DeFever. We jump right off of this, go visit Cynthia in Costa Rica for a couple days. 45310 over from the motor place over to the thruster place where they're going to install the thrusters. Hopefully all that work gets done over the next week and a half, 2 weeks, while I'm taking care of this boat, getting ready to head to the next boat. I have like 1 day between there. Also, I'll have a few days in Fort Lauderdale, see if we can dig up some, even if I don't dig up some work, I'm gonna try and get on a couple different boats, showing you guys a couple different systems while I'm here. Anyway, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Patrons, you're gonna see these videos early. And if you're new to the channel, you can sign up for Patreon. It's $5. I don't boast about it, but I think it supports the channel and keeps things rolling, and it helps. Every little bit helps. Anyway, peace out. God bless. Thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate. And leave this video a thumbs up if you don't mind. I truly appreciate. Thanks. Peace out, and remember, live life with no regrets. I do. Thanks. Bye.